Hello and welcome to Insights with Thomas Caldwell on Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. Tom, what economic factors are contributing to the recent emigration rates from Canada to the United States?
Well, it's an interesting problem. A lot of people the rate is up significantly. I can't remember the number. It might be 70% versus pre-COVID. People leaving from Canada into the United States. Some of it's flow through. Some of it's people who've come to Canada to get into the United States. But the dangerous or the alarming part of it is we have a lot of Canadians moving south. And there are economic reasons. The inflation, the cost of living in Canada is very, very high relative to other parts of the world, housing, etc. Income streams, very, very low relative to other parts of the world, particularly the U.S. Taxes, they get a chance to keep more of their money by moving to the United States. And opportunity to raise money. So what's happening? We're losing the people we don't want to lose. You're losing doctors because they make a lot more in the U.S., even with the insurance rates they have down there. You're losing entrepreneurs because with our regulatory regimes and basically the constraints we have in capital in Canada, it's very hard for an entrepreneur to raise money here. So if you want to build a business, Canada's a good country to start a business. It's not a good place to build a business. So you're losing entrepreneurs, you're losing scientists, you're losing doctors. Toronto was the epicenter of artificial intelligence through the University of Toronto, but we will not head any of the major artificial intelligence organizations. They will be built in the United States. So we're losing the people we want to because people don't see the possibilities in Canada that there are in the United States. And part of that is policy, whether it be right at the federal level, where there's a war on economic growth, right down to the municipal level, where there's a war on basically getting to work kind of thing. So people are saying it's easier, I can make more money, and I'm going to move to the United States. And this is a trend we don't want because we're losing the people we need to build the country.
So let's move on to investing. How does immigration affect investment patterns in Canada?
Well, actually, because I think it's the other way around. The investment patterns are affecting the immigration because if I can't raise money to start this new company, whatever idea I have, and I can't do it in Canada, I'm going to do it in the United States where there's tons of money. It's a lot easier to do it, whereas the constraints in Canada and the government policies are against business development and economic growth. So it is the investment scenario, environment, that is predicating a great deal of this loss of valuable people to the Canadian economy and indeed to our future.
Thank you so much for your insights, Tom.
Thanks, Liz.
And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.